Tesla, the revolutionary electric car company, is not only changing the game on the road, but also behind the scenes. Today, we're taking you inside the business workings of Tesla, unveiling the secrets behind their game-changing operations. At the heart of Tesla's success lies their vertical integration. Unlike traditional automakers, Tesla controls almost every aspect of production, from designing their own batteries to manufacturing their own electric motors. This tight control allows them to optimize efficiency and maintain high-quality standards across the board. Speaking of batteries, Tesla's Gigafactory is a sight to behold. This massive facility, one of the largest buildings in the world, is where Tesla produces their cutting-edge batteries at an unprecedented scale. With plans to build more Gigafactories worldwide, Tesla is determined to secure their supply chain and drive down production costs. But Tesla's innovation doesn't stop at production. Their supercharger network is revolutionizing electric vehicle charging. With thousands of supercharger stations strategically placed around the globe, Tesla owners can easily travel long distances without the worry of running out of battery. This infrastructure investment sets Tesla apart from its competitors and fuels the transition to sustainable transportation. In addition, Tesla has embraced the power of software and over-the-air updates. They continuously improve their vehicles' performance and functionality without requiring customers to visit a dealership. These updates can enhance features, install new capabilities, and even address potential safety concerns. Tesla's commitment to innovation ensures their vehicles remain at the cutting edge of technology. Tesla's business model extends beyond just cars. Their energy division, with products like the Powerwall and solar roof tiles, aims to revolutionize the way we power our homes. By harnessing the power of the sun and storing it in their sleek energy storage systems, Tesla is paving the way towards a sustainable future. With each passing day, Tesla's impact on the world grows stronger. Their commitment to innovation, sustainability, and vertical integration sets them apart from traditional automakers. As the world shifts towards electrification, Tesla is well-positioned to lead the charge. Thanks for watching this inside scoop on Tesla's game-changing business operations. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights. Together, let's drive towards a greener future with Tesla.